Hi student, today in second class of compound and multiple angle 11th standard, next sum number 9. Tan A equals to M tan B. Prove that sin A minus B over sin A plus B equals to M minus 1 by M plus 1. This is given, you have to prove this. Now here sin, we have to convert tan A, tan B, sin cos. Sin A over cos A equals to M sin B over cos B. Then this cos B is coming left hand side. Sin A cos B over cos A sin B equals to M by 1. Keeping M right hand side because asking right hand side. Now here M minus N. Now by dividendo componendo. By dividendo componendo. This minus this. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B over sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equals to M minus 1 by M plus 1. Because asking sin A, and that's why minus should be first, equals to sin A minus B by this is sin A plus B equals to M minus 1 by M plus 1 root. Next, sum number 10. Tan A plus B, tan A plus B equals to M and tan A minus B equals to N. Find tan 2A and tan 2B. Here tan 2A asking, then therefore we have to write using this tan 2A we can write equals to tan A plus B minus plus A minus B, because if you remove the B cancel, A tan 2A. Now tan distributed A tan A plus B, that is tan A plus B plus tan A plus tan B. This treated as A, this whole thing treated as B. But tan x plus tan x plus tan x plus tan y over 1 minus tan x tan y. Now you know tan A plus B value, tan A minus B value, that is M plus N over 1 minus Mn. Tan 2A you got. Similarly tan 2B equals to tan A plus B minus A minus B. This minus is plus, that is tan 2B. That is tan x minus y, tan x minus tan y, tan A plus B minus tan A minus B over 1 plus tan A plus B into tan A minus B. Tan x minus tan y 1 plus tan x tan y. Tan a plus b value m minus n over 1 plus mn. Next, sum number 11. Tan theta plus phi, tan theta plus phi, tan phi equals to A cot theta plus cot phi equals to B. We have to prove that cot theta plus phi equals to 1 by A minus 1 by B. We have to prove this. First of all, you convert sine cos, this will be convert to sine cos. From this is 1. This is sine theta by cos theta plus sine phi by cos phi equals to A. That is cos theta cos phi sine theta cos phi plus cos theta sine phi equals to A. That is sine theta plus phi by cos theta cos phi equals to A. Keep it. From 2, equation number 2 we can break cos theta by sine theta cos phi by sine phi equals to B. Now adding sine theta sine phi cos theta sine phi plus sine theta cos phi equals to, it should be sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. That is sine theta plus phi over sine theta sine phi equals to B. This is 3, this is 4. Now this divided by this. Now 3 divided by 4. This by this into this by this. That is sine theta plus phi by cos theta cos phi into, divide this to reciprocal, sine theta sine phi by sine theta plus phi. Sine theta by theta cancel. That is sine theta by cos tan theta into tan phi. Tan theta into tan phi. This equals to A by B. That is A by B. Now you have to prove that left hand side cot theta plus phi equals to, we have to prove left hand side, that is cot theta plus phi equals to 1 by tan theta plus tan theta plus phi, 1 by sine tan theta by my means tan theta plus tan phi over this will go up, tan theta into tan phi equals to tan theta tan phi value, 1 minus tan theta tan phi, tan A plus B, tan A plus tan 1 over 1 minus tan, that will go up, that is 1 minus A by B over tan theta plus tan phi value is A equals to B minus A by B into 1 by A, that is B minus A by AB. Splitting up, that is 1 by A minus 1 by B equals to right hand side. 1 by A minus 1 by B, left hand side to right hand side equal. Next, sum number 12.